Okay, let's go through the words that we are going to prepare for Stave 2. You have 25 words that are listed here in the order that they appear in the stave. Just like before, you might see these words more than once, okay? So follow along with me and color code your words like we've done before. Number one is opaque. Opaque is an adjective. It means not transparent. It's something that you can't see through. That's a physical description. Opaque can also describe something as hard to understand, not clear, kind of murky or obscure, something that's not very clear to understand. Okay, that's an adjective. Lustrous, this OUS on the end is an adjective, and it means shining, luminous, brilliant, glowing, or radiant. Fluctuated is a verb that means changed continually, shifted back and forth, or to be or to make unstable. Conducive is productive, helpful, useful, and that's an adjective. Vestige is a noun. It's a mark, a trace, some sort of visible evidence of something that's no longer present. Latent is an adjective that means present, but not visible or actualized. It's kind of veiled or hidden, maybe concealed, unrealized. Despondent is an adjective. If you are despondent, you're showing profound hopelessness, dejection, discouragement, gloom, disheartened. Okay? So, very sad. Loath, this means unwilling, hesitant, reluctant. This is an adjective. Okay? And there's a note here. Don't confuse this word with loathe, the E on the end, which is a verb, to feel intense disgust for. All right? So if you're loath to do something, you are unwilling or hesitant. Celestial is an adjective, and this means having to do with the sky, heavenly, the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Terrestrial, also an adjective, means it has something to do with land, okay, as opposed to the water or sky. So it has to do with the earth, the inhabitants of the earth. A tumult is a noisy disturbance or commotion, as of a crowd or a mob, an uproar, it's disorder, a highly distressing state of mind. So tumult in this sense is a noun. Deftly, deftly is an adverb. If you do something deftly, you do it skillfully, nimbly, cleverly, quickly. Corroborated is a verb that means confirmed, verified, agreed with. Avarice is a noun. It's an extreme greed for riches, this insatiable greed. You want to hoard and gain this wealth and keep it from others. Sordid is an adjective meaning meanly self seeking, selfish, mercenary, vile, morally wrong. It also means wretchedly poor and run down. Retorted is a verb in the past tense there with the ed on the end. If you retort, you reply sharply. You kind of retaliate. Comely is an adjective in this sense, pleasing in appearance, attractive, fair. Pillaged is a verb, stripped of money or goods in an act of open violence, as in war. Okay, some synonyms are plundered, robbed, looted, ransacked. Ensued is a verb that means followed, came afterwards. Boisterous is an adjective, noisily jolly or rowdy, extremely noisy, unruly, basically, eighth graders in class. Ecstasy is a noun. It's intense joy or delight. an overpowering emotion, a state of euphoria or elation. Subsided is a verb that means, well, can be probably used as a verb. I'll double check that in here. But diminished, quieted becomes less active, kind of goes away. Haggard is an adjective describing an appearance, usually having a gaunt, wasted, exhausted appearance as from prolonged suffering, exertion, or anxiety, just like really, really, really worn out. Fragments, plural noun, parts broken off or detached, scraps, pieces. An adversary, noun, is an opponent, an enemy, the person or group who is against you. And that takes you through the first page. I did not combine them, so I will make a video for the second page. Okay, hold tight.